What is up, guys? Today we're gonna go on anti-loyalist extracting patrol. Me and Lieutenant Nick here are gearing up, strapping up. We're gonna be taking the evoc car, getting all the equipment ready, all our weapons. We do this every day for the citizens here at District 76. It is our responsibility to eliminate all these scumbags. Dispatch, Charles 76, 10-8 here, Loyalist Patrol.
Copy that, Charles 76, Charles 78, got your locked in.
Alright, so we've been sitting here for a good hour, just looking for a possible loyalist. It's their stomping ground, so it wouldn't be too uncommon to see him here. Okay, let's go check out this funny looking character over here.
Charles 57, I need to preempt you and start you with
You see
Charles
that?
45 on a cross to assist Sergeant to copy.
Fuck is he mean mugging?
And 211 in progress.
Check him out.
But yeah, let's go check him out. Light him up.
Dispatch, we're going to be pulling over a dark green Honda, no plates, off Bradshaw.
Copy that, Charles 76. Criminal, pull your Honda over.
Alright, we gotta approach him with caution.
Unarmed weapons, all 6 subjects are mailbox 20 to 25.
Is he stopping?
I don't know, it looks like he's about to run.
Just describe mailbox 20 to 25 with red, white t-shirt, blue jeans, second mailbox.
Good evening, sir.
Hello.
Is there a reason why you were mean mugging us back there?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You were giving us a pretty mean look, and I don't appreciate it.
I was?
Yeah, are you a loyalist?
No, sir. I don't know what that means.
You have an ID on you?
Yeah, right here, okay?
Yeah, go reach. Yeah. Careful, slow. Hurry up.
211 in progress, 5C.
Dispatch, we 10-4 out here.
375, copy, 211.
So the reason why we stopped you is because you have a busted tail light.
I do?
Yeah, you do. Actually. Well, bust out his tail light. You do now. Hey, roll up the window. Hey, open it. He's open the door. Open the door, criminal. Dispatch, we have a situation here. We have a non-compliant.
Door, keep the door.
Open the door.
Alright, we'll bust the door.
Go ahead, bust it on. Try to reach in there. Bust the door. Bust. Open it. Okay. He's trying to search the car. Let's go. Let's go. He's trying to search the car. Go. Control, we are chasing the green Honda Loyalist on the run. We're gonna go ahead and attempt the pit maneuver. Permission to pit.
Permission granted.
Send backup units.
Backup not available.
Get up. He's got a weapon. Hit him. He's still going. Wait, we disabled his car. His car's disabled. Right here. Hit him in. Just try to go. Get on the ground. Hey, get back here. Whoa. Get back here. Dispatch, he's got a knife. Get back here now. First, hey, get down. Control. We got one down. Control. Get in the back. Hands in your back. Oh my gosh. Send paramedics. We're at the outskirts of District 76. We send a unit. All right, let's see what this criminal's got. Okay, see what this criminal's got in here. Sure, some type of loyalist manual. Some type of loyalist mask. He's probably robbing people. Loyalist propaganda. Control, permission to double tap. We just want to make sure that the loyalist is dead.
Permission granted.